Lamination sheets give a unique look to furniture, but have you ever wondered how they are made in the factory? Well, let's take a look in today's video. The manufacturing process starts with taking good quality craft paper as a raw material. Then, the craft paper roll undergoes a chemical wash. After that, the designer sheet is also passed through chemical washing. Then, the chemically washed sheet is dried in the dryer. Now, the dried craft paper is cut using a cutting machine. Afterwards, the designed sheet is also cut to the same size. Here, all the cut sheets are placed in the rack for further processing. Now, the sheets are stacked up and down to prevent them from sticking to each other. Stack sheets are combined with craft paper, designed craft paper, thin plastic and a steel plate. Then it is sent for the heating process. Afterwards, the stacked bunch is placed into the hydraulic press machine rack. Now, the sheet and paper are attached together through the hydraulic press machine. Now, the edge of the prepared sheets is cut using a cutting machine to achieve an even look. After cutting, scrubbing is done under the ready sheet. Then, the laminated sheets are divided according to their design and quality. Afterwards, the laminated sheets are covered with thin craft paper to protect them from any damage or scratches. Here, the laminated sheets are ready to give a fresh look to your furniture, and they are prepared for dispatch.